Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Suzanne and I've prepared an interval workout for us to do today. So we'll be working for 50 seconds and then we'll follow that with 10 seconds of rest and reset. And I'm gonna be using 2-pound hand weights. The weights are optional. You really don't have to use hand weights at all, but you could add it in to make the workout a little more intense. Anything from no weights up to 5-pound hand weights would be fantastic. If you don't have any weights with you right now, but you could find 2 water bottles, that really is a nice 1-pound hand weight that is very handy. So while you're right here at your device, if you wouldn't mind, click subscribe and I will make you aware of when I have a new workout come out. I do have a library of workouts and you can go and find something that suits you for that particular day. Maybe you're just looking for some stretch and release. Maybe you are interested in a more intense, longer workout, or possibly a Pilates mat class, maybe even some cardio bar. I've got all that available on my YouTube channel, so feel free to browse and find something you really like. Today, we are gearing up for our full body cardio interval workout. So our first exercise is gonna start off with hamstring curls and a bicep curl. Got my arms out in front of me, my legs, feet are about hip width apart, and we start off with a curl. So it's just an easy curl, kind of a nice warm-up type workout. Yeah, this is a nice exercise just for warming up. Upper body, lower body, both doing some curls here. I'm trying to keep my elbows lifted and lots of control in my arms. Heel to glute behind me. Good, warming up those hamstrings. This is a nice warm-up exercise, not too intense. Good, just rocking that weight side to side. Keeping the body moving here. You got it. Control those arms. We're not necessarily doing a full range bicep curl, but definitely working in on that bicep. Feel the squeeze. Yes. Shifting weight side to side, curling that heel in towards the glute, and we're done with our first exercise. We're gonna move into a squat with an overhead press. Goalpost arms to start here. I'm gonna drop my weight and press it up. So lower, lift. Very simple move. Weight is in my heels heavy, and then reaching all the way up, fully extending those arms. So while I'm in my squat, I'm gonna try to keep my chest open and not curling forward. My back's gonna have to engage to keep me in this lifted torso position. Lower, press. Weight in the heels, toes are light for your squat. You decide how far down you go. Ideally, I'm trying to get my hips down to be about in line with my knees, almost that low, to make it this more cardio. Last couple ones, and we did it. Woo! Fantastic work. So ready for a curtsy tricep press. We'll bend the elbows and press. Good. Curtsy back and lift, curtsy back and lift. So I'm doing a little cross behind. My torso is hinged forward just a little bit, and the leg crosses. That's what makes it the curtsy. Press those arms strong back. Keep those wrists nice and straight, and press, and press. Curtsy press. I'm changing position, or direction, just so you can see. Good, activate the back to squeeze those arms long. Exhale, press, press. We're almost done. Yes, hang in there, hang in there. We got it. Yes, we do. Done. Fantastic, okay. All right, so we are now ready for a lateral side lunge. We're gonna start off with a balanced pose. My knee is gonna come out and press back up. So those arms lift to a lateral raise, and we get a little balance moment there before we drop for our next one. Good, get low, Get tall. Drop, press. Lower, lift. Beautiful. Fantastic work. I'm feeling strong. Are you feeling strong here, guys? Press it up. Good. We lower, lift. Find that moment of balance before we lower back down. Side lunge, press. Woo! Great work. Excellent. Last one. And we're ready for the other side. So same exercise, other direction. We're gonna hover in balance. We drop and press it up. Lower, lift. Good. Try to get the weight back in the heel when you lower. Yes. Really lengthen through those arms. Drop, press. Fantastic work. We are doing it. Hang in there, guys. This is how we get stronger and more resilient for all the things that come to us in life. Working on resilience and strength. Yes. There's all kinds of mental health benefits that go with this as well. Not just physical, also mental. Just a second to catch your breath before we're gearing up for our next exercise. Here we go, waist twist, pull, reach it out, pull. Good, finding our balance at the top. Exhaling to engage the abdominals as we lift and twist. Good, really working on creating that spine twist as we lift. Reaching those arms out long in front. I know it ends up creating a little bit of shoulder fatigue, but we are working on getting stronger. Yes. Moment of rest and recoup. We've got to do the other side. So prepping here with that long leg back, pull, twist. Exhale, twist. And honestly, my balance is not quite as good on this side, so a little extra concentration. Good. Exhale to deflate the belly, tighten the abdominals into the twist. Last couple ones here. We're doing it, we're doing it. Fantastic, okay. Bringing it down to the floor. We've got those hand weights here. We're rolling back off of our sit bones, twisting side to side. Good, we're in a position where we can see our tummy. And we're gonna try to sink our belly. I know it's not gonna be flat, but our goal is to engage those deep abdominals as we do our little torso twist side to side. Finishing off with some big ab burners. Good, sink that belly down. Keep that twist going. I know it's challenging. We got it, keep it up, keep it up. Good. Whew. Twisting, hollowing out the belly. We are rolled back just a little bit. Tailbone tucked under. Yes. Whew. Got it. And down, we're bringing it down one more level, all the way down. Tabletop legs, arms straight up to the ceiling. From here, we open the arms away. We toe tap down, lift right back up. Good. Fly on the chest. Open and close. The big job here is holding your spine in neutral. The rib cage wants to pop up and lift up off of the floor, and we're gonna try to hold it stable with deeply engaged abdominals. And if we want more here, legs lengthen out. We open, we don't go all the way down, we go down to about 45 degrees and raise it back up. I'm squeezing my inner thighs together to help hold me stable here. Good, squeeze, exhale up. Engage those abdominals. And we are done. Fantastic work. Rocking ourselves up here. Hey, congratulations on doing an excellent job. We did a full body workout using those intervals, which really keep us moving and intense. It was a pleasure to work out with you. Thank you so much for spending a few moments of your day working with me to get healthy and strong. The benefits go way beyond physically what we're doing here. There are mental health benefits. You're gonna sleep really good tonight. All kinds of benefits. So, thank you, and until next time, take care and be well.